For tonight, Cajun buttered seafood boil. Let's start! 1 pound of shrimp and a pound of Manila clams. 2 cobs of sweet corn. Boil water with 1 lemon, then add the shrimp. It's about 3 to 4 minutes. Then set aside. Next, the Manila clams. Set aside. And after, the sweet corn. Let's make the Cajun spices. 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of Cajun, 1 tablespoon of cayenne. Let's mix it all together and set aside. Let's prepare 1 whole of garlic bulb. Let's begin to cook. First, 2 whole sticks of butter. Melt it down, baby. Then, add the garlic. Stir it until it turns brown. There it is. Then add all the mixed spices. Stir it until it dissolves. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then 2 tablespoons of any hot red sauce. Make sure stir it on and off for about 15 minutes. And finally, we're gonna add the shrimp. Smells so good. Smells so delicious. Then add the Manila clams and the sweet corn. Just mix it all to absorb the sauce. Turn the heat down and simmer it for about 4 to 6 minutes. It's about time. Here you go. Just garnish it with fresh dill, herbs. Thank you guys for watching. For more cooking and delicious recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!